Welcome to ILIMA Higashi Nakano, your comfortable and convenient base for exploring Tokyo. You can easily book your stay by scanning the QR code appearing on screen now, or by checking the description below. Located in the vibrant Nakano district, our apartment is a quick 5-minute train ride from Shinjuku and just a 2-minute walk from Higashi-Nakano Station, making it incredibly easy to get around the city. We comfortably accommodate up to 4 guests, perfect for families or small groups. What makes us a great choice? Well, we offer practicality and convenience. You'll find a fully equipped kitchen with a dining area, including a microwave, allowing you to easily prepare your own meals. We know that laundry is important, especially on longer trips, so we have a washing machine readily available for your convenience. Each apartment is air-conditioned and includes a flat-screen TV for your entertainment. Your private bathroom is equipped with a shower, slippers, and a hairdryer, and all units come with fresh bed linen and towels. Staying here gives you easy access to local attractions like Sakurayama Park and various temples such as Kyomyoji and Ganshoji. Free Wi-Fi is included, so you can stay connected. Traveling to and from the airport is simple, with Tokyo Haneda Airport just 24 kilometers away. Don't forget, booking is easy. Just scan the QR code to reserve your stay at ILIMA Higashi Nakano now.